Now, here we are with Miss Shelby. Bum, bum, bum. We're doing some lateral flexion here. Very lightly. Good girl. She used to move her butt around. Now she's starting to get it. She remembers from last year. I think it was last year I actually worked with Shelby. I was looking back at my memories. For some reason, I don't know why, it feels like 2 years ago. Weird. Okay, vertical flexion. Break up the pole. Good girl. Okay, we're going to go to the right. Good girl. She does have her moments where she just kind of, I don't know, reacts over a noise or something, like a little spook, but not bad. So I'm going to build that confidence. I got the tarp over there. We all know very well that she crosses it, she steps over it on the lunge line. Now let's see how she's going to react in the saddle. This is another way of getting your horse used to crossing water, because you're going to apply pressure and then release the pressure. Okay, she nicked it in the corner. Okay. Good girl. Very good. Just stepped over, no problem. I gotta do this to the other girls too. Good girl. Very calm and confident. So this gives me hope that when we cross the water, she's gonna be just fine. Which we need to find some water. Good girl. Now we're working with Miss Shelby. This is going to be day 11, working on Shelby. When we first started, it's hard for her to pick up that right lead and loping overall, but she's doing really good, a lot better. We're going to do some laps loping to the right. Going to the left, she picks up that left lead really easy. She's more natural to the left. So let's go ahead and work with this girl, and I'll show you what we've been doing, her progress.
Oh.